Ain't nobody got climb for that.
Where's the trail, Steve?
Like you just leaned when you stepped there.
Times and places are all in who you share them with. And it's life. And the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. And the weeks and the weekends are keeping close who you spending with. And in time, what you find is the time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with. Yeah, now it's a moment, and a home is who you share it with. I believe what the point is enjoying who you share it with. Joy is who you share it with. Who you share it with. Who you share it with.
Podcast that day. Many friends. And there goes Sam to summit the Tatow Knob. We wish him well.
Told us you were leaving 6 months ago, but it never really dawned on me till today. Really want the hands on the clock to slow, steal a few more minutes on this final day. My mind understands the reasons why you go, but my heart is almost certain that you should remain. Tempted to sell everything I've ever owned and buy a ticket with you on that big old plane. So we climbed to the swing at the top of the hill. One last look at the city lights. In the only fitting way to say farewell before you swing off up into the night. And the world is still becoming a smaller place, and I'm sure that I will see you again somehow. Until the day you know that I will miss your face. Know this thing for certain that I wish you well.
knob to the car.
Just one more ledge down, Steve. See what I'm saying? Go. Not that bad.
Not that bad, he says.
Dude, that's a big pile of poop.